Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up AWIN. First, visit the AWIN website and click Join Us to begin your registration. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, email, and website details. Ensure all fields are accurate to avoid delays. After submitting, check your email for a verification link to activate your account. This initial setup is crucial for accessing the platform's features and starting your affiliate journey effectively. Once your account is active, log in and complete your publisher profile. This includes providing details about your promotional methods and audience. Next, set up your payment information. AWIN offers various options, so choose the one that suits you best, like direct deposit. You'll also need to verify ownership of your website, often through a small deposit or by adding a specific code. This step is vital for full account activation and program applications. With your profile complete, it's time to find programs. Use the Advertisers tab to browse available brands. You can filter by category, country, and commission rate to find the best fit for your niche. When you find a program you like, click Join Program and submit your application. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully, paying attention to commission structures and any specific rules. Approval times vary, so be patient. After approval, generate your unique tracking links for each program. These links ensure you get credit for every sale or lead you generate. Regularly check your AWIN dashboard to monitor performance, view clicks, conversions, and earnings. Payments are typically processed on a set schedule, often twice a month, once you reach a minimum threshold, like $20. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep optimizing your content for better results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.